Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, June the 24th, 2023. Here also June the 24th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. The medium Sudoku. I will solve today, and this one a samurai Sudoku. I will do this tomorrow on Sunday. And in today's newspaper, not so good news, only one puzzle page. Yeah, June the 24th, 2023. We have a puzzle page with this one is a 1-star Sudoku, has 27 printed digits. This one 3-star Sudoku. We have a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and the final one is a tectonic. No additional, well, let me show you, there's no additional in this newspaper. What I will do tomorrow evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper. Yeah, on Friday. On Friday we have 3 puzzles left. So I will do those on Sunday evening. Well, Sunday. I will do it on Sunday, and in the evening I will do the samurai Sudoku. Alright, let me start with this one. The medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 66 4. Wow, 66 4. Well. 66 4. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has how many? I do not know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30 printed digits should be an easy one, because if you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, this will be easier than the 1-star Sudoku. The 1-star Sudoku in additional has 27 printed digits. This one is 30. But for a 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So maybe this one, 13 or 14 minutes. We will see. 3 minutes already passed. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? The 2 in this column. 2 in the middle columns, and the column next. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then need a 9 here, need an 8 here, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 4, 4, 4, 4. Let me see. The 5 in this first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only place left for the 5 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 2 and the 5 in the third row. The 2 and the 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 3 missing numbers now. In this big square, one of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For the 1, the 2. The 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Alright. Then, let me see. How about, need a 5 here. Okay. 1, 6 and the 7. 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need a 3 here. Wait. 3. No. 3. Yeah. We have 1 here. 5. Need a 5 here. Need to think. 1. Come on, where's the opening? The opening. Need a 5 here. Need a 5. Come on. 8 in the in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next to only place left for 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the second column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1. Oh wait, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 3, 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 4 here. 4, 9. Need a 5. Need a 5 here. And I need a 6. Need a 6 here. Well. Come on. Come on. One. Yeah, I'm thinking 1, 6, 7. 6, 7. Yeah. 2 missing numbers here. In the second row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For almost the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For almost the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now the pair in this big square numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. That means 1 digit left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 and 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and the 4, 7 and the 4. 9, 9, 9, 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 9. We have a 9 in the last row. So no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9 in the second column, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 in the in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, let me mark those. 6 and the 7. Now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. 4. 4. But the 2 then. 2. 5. Need a 5 here. 5. Come on. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this row. No 1 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 is supposed to be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left in the third column. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 9, 6, and 4 is missing. Interesting. 4 and 5, we already have a 4 here in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this can be a 6 and more. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 4, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now, 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 9, I believe, yeah, we have a 9 here. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So I've eliminated the 9 there. So the 9 goes here. One box left in this big square format. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes only with the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. A 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finishing in 50 minutes. Well. Not faster, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with a puzzle page. I will solve 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.